Okay, Mr. Fedorchuk, yeah, let's take a look at this. First of all, you want to make sure you have the right orientation. So let's take our sketch one, right-click on it, let's go ahead and edit that, and press the space bar. We're supposed to be looking at the right plane, so let's go ahead and look at the right view. We should be seeing, these sketches up here and not down there. So it looks like you have this sketched on the top plane. So let's see what it looks like from the front. Yeah, so the front, that's the way it should look. But yeah, you have that on the wrong plane, it looks like. But it looks like it'll probably resolve itself, so it'll be okay. So yeah, this is what you have going on. So what you've done is you're telling with this Revolve 1, if you right click on that guy, you're telling it quite literally, take this surface here, this enclosed geometry here, and revolve it around 360 degrees. Concurrently, you're asking you to take this enclosed geometry here, revolving that around 360 degrees. So what you end up getting is like twice. You get two features in the same place. So let's go ahead and do this. Let's go ahead and take that bottom half and just delete it. You don't need it down there. Oh, let's do that within the sketch environment. So right click on the sketch. Whoop. No, we don't want to edit sketch plane. We want to edit the sketch. So let's do that. Let's make it normal too. And yeah. So let's go ahead and delete that. You don't need both halves for revolve features. So now we're only going to revolve one of these, not two. So I think if you do that, you'll get the right mass properties. But you should have, you should do that on the right plane. And let's see if we can go normal to that. Let's see what our sketch looks like if we go into that. Yeah, it still looks like it's on the top plane, which it probably is. So what you could do, if you want to correct this from the very beginning, right-click on that, go to Edit Sketch Plane, and yes, we should probably do that. Let's go ahead and go to the right plane and do that. We're sketching everything on the right plane. So now if we go to the right view, now we should see that if we go to the sketch. Now we see that on the top. That looks exactly the way the drawing should be. At that view, even though it looks like it's sideways here, but it really should be up like that. So we're looking at the right view over here, and that's what you want to look at. You want to see the sketch in that view on that hub. So yeah, so let's go ahead and take a look at the mass properties. Mass properties should be, and make sure you got this scooted up. You're going to get points off if you don't do that. Custom settings, you want to make sure that's all the way up. For the accuracy level, you want to make sure your precision's up to 4. And now check your mass properties. 2, 1, 4, 1, and then X, Y, and Z are going to be 0. So it looks like you got it right. That's what you need to do to fix it.